I've been looking at hair toppers, wigs, extensions, anything that I could do to make my hair look better. It's very thin, and this is as good as my hair gets. It is very, very thin. I'll show you the back. But I contacted UniWigs because I was on the hunt for something that was within my price range, and they didn't have my color as lovely as the toppers looked. So I did contact them and asked them if they were going to be producing one, and they said that they had a new one coming out, and I got one. So I'm going to review it right here, right now. I did have my hairdresser add a little bit more texture to the front. Okay, so I line up and put it back just a little. Pop open the clips. Go to the back clips. That feels pretty good. And then to blend in my natural hair. Now, the one thing that I thought was going to stand out quite a bit was, you know, my natural hair is not quite as cool as this topper, but I really don't think that you can tell. Feels pretty secure, yeah. Look at that volume. What I wouldn't do to have bio hair like this. I mean, is this not great? My husband has to ask me, do you have the topper on? Did you put it on? He can't tell. My own husband can't tell. I know that most men maybe aren't up on what their wives are doing with their hair, but mine's usually pretty good. And he can't tell. The only time he can tell is if I put my head down, and he can tell that the part is not as wide as, you know, my hair is not quite as thick, but at a glance, he can't tell. My daughters are now thinking about getting some wigs. Eventually they need toppers as well. But just, I mean, honestly, it's almost like a fashion accessory as well. You know, I don't have to wear it every day. I can decide to only wear it when I want to go out and feel extra good about myself. And it's honestly, I want brown, blonde, auburn. I'll take all the colors because I don't think I felt this great in a decade about how I look with my hair. Thanks for watching.